is a Chiang Mai specialty. You come to Chiang Mai, if they ask you, have you tried khao soi? If you say no, they said no, you don't really go there. You're not arrived yet. Try khao soi anywhere in Chiang Mai before you leave our city. Because that's the Chiang Mai specialties, our signature dish, okay?
It's Thai cooking class time. Yay! We are at a market. I don't know why I'm speaking like that. Anyway, we are at a market and we are looking at ingredients. Alright, so we did a quick market tour. Now we have 10 minutes to walk around on our own. Maybe grab some breakfast donuts. That looks good. Or some fruit. We'll see. I'm not sure. Something for breakfast. I'll walk to the end and then when I walk back I'll decide. Maybe some breakfast. Ooh. Pork sausage roll on the street. I've never seen that before. Might just try it. We'll see. Oh, this is very low. Oh, that's funny. Anyway, you gotta make life fun because sometimes it isn't. So if you come with a boring attitude, then you're not gonna have fun. Just saying. I have no clue what this is, but I feel like it's edible. So if anyone knows what that pink stuff was, please let me know. Here we are heading off to the cooking farm. It's outside of town, which is specifically why we chose it. All of these nature sounds were actually there in the moment, not added in afterwards, I promise.
This is my demonstration table, and downstairs is your resting area, your eating table, and while you letting grass tea, this is a fresh round garden. We made it homemade now, very good for your stomach. And drinking water.
This whole cooking course took a few hours, so I'm obviously not going to walk you through everything, and this video is focusing more on the pre-cooking aspect. We did the market tour, the garden tour, and then eventually we head off and cook.
It suddenly brings you to temple, the smell. Thai massage. The better, nah? It's like yeah. And then that one.
Why are you jumping?
Actually, the
I got one.
The round because it's older. Congratulations! Wow, honeymoon. You know ginseng is good for energy drink, make a man stay strong all night long. Is eggplant, aubergine. Same, right? We have both kind of eggplants. But Penang, you will have only one kind of eggplant that looks like peas. It's called pea eggplant or bitter eggplant.
Got a worm in.
So we try.
Oh, there's a worm in it. I hope you didn't.
Yeah. Eggplant here. Yeah, you take one. First bite, bitter.
You won't like it.
You keep chewing. The second bite, still bitter. Look here. Look at that. Butterfly pea flowers. Do you want to see magic,
Do you like to lick it?
Ashlyn, you like magic?
Yeah, I love magic.
Do you like color red or color pink?
Yeah.
Which color you
Red,
prefer?
red,
Okay,
red.
if red one, only knife. No?
Pink. Pink.
Pink. Pink better. Bad choice. Wrong one. Change the whole thing.
Change, thanks.
Are you ready? Magic show. 1, a 2, a 3. Oh, look at that. The color change.
You can pick any blooming butterfly pea. One more. Guys look like proper farmers. Spiders are optional.
It's edible flower. It just tastes like lettuce. You can take one blooming one and eat the flower. Okay. Take out the green part in the bottom. Yummy. Is that garlicky for you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's correct one. Yeah. Spring onion.
It's food time. In the next video, I'll show you what we made. See you next time. Bye.